Today, there's something unusual happening at WeDiscover. Today, WeDiscover has something they call Hackathon. And it's essentially a team building day, sort of, except that it's happening for 2 days. And the whole office come together and they divide into smaller groups. And each of those groups has a different task to solve. And there's prizes, and it's really, really exciting.
So we've been allocated a client and we've been given a brief, a problem statement, and it's up to us to basically create this whole new campaign using AI creative for our said client.
So we've been coming up with, brainstorming around creative direction for a marketing campaign for a selected client.
For us, it's a homeware brand and we're trying to emphasise why people should invest in this brand. So the longevity and also the quality and also some of the features that this brand can bring to the table that other brands can't.
I'm having the best time. I feel like there's a lot of people in tech that I don't usually work with because it's not really my department, but having events and opportunities like this to sit down with them, get to know them, but also pick their brains a little bit is really fun.
So yeah, I think it's been good to get the creative juices flowing and thinking more outside the box.
I think we've made some good progress so far. We've still got all day tomorrow really to work on it, so I'd say it's going pretty well so far.
I just assume that it's just gonna be, kind of like a day out where people come together, they socialize, they just have fun. But now after visiting each of the teams, I realize they're doing a lot of work. Not only they, doing market research for their clients, but at the same time they are making sure that the creatives they have to deliver match their brand guidelines, and we have to prepare a presentation. So there's a lot of going on, a lot to do. But also everyone is super competitive. Alyssa, do you think having CEO on your team will give you an advantage?
I wasn't gonna say it, but yes, for sure.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
Hi. So we are heading to our offsite offices to do our second day of the hackathon. I'm super excited. Still a lot of work to be done, but yeah, looking forward to cracking on.
Hey Sarah, as a new joiner, any thoughts about what you've seen so far?
Yeah, so far everyone's been great. They're all really lovely and really, really smart. So I'm having a great time so far.
And any opinion on this event?
It's a little bit strange, but it's lots of fun and a great way to collaborate and hash out some business problems. So it's really interesting.
Alice, as a judge of a panel and head of a design team, why today is important?
So at WeDiscover, we really value having in-house design skills at our agency. But with ever-changing AI tools available, we need to start thinking about how we can integrate those into our design processes and workflows. So today is really a chance to get together as cross-functional teams and think about how we can do that.
I have just spoken to Adam, who is one of the leaders for this event, and he said that the added bonus of having this event is, to get people working out of their comfort zone. Media team gets to work with a tech team. They are exposed with each other's workflows. And the other thing is that everyone in the company gets to understand just how powerful AI as a tool can be if used cleverly and with intent.
Okay, so presentation is due so soon.
It is.
How do you feel about it?
I'm Excited, but there's still a lot more to be done. I think we did the heavy lifting yesterday so that we could kind of enjoy ourselves today.
Presentation's around the corner, so starting to finalise our slides, making sure everyone's aligned on the strategy and what we're going to do in the presentation.
This points we're having the funniest presentation, and I think that's definitely our strong suit. So it'll be interesting to see what everyone else does, but I think our team's definitely going to stand out from a funny perspective.
So our team, we've just won our annual hackathon. We developed an AI solution to be able to reliably evaluate creative ads at scale and iterate on those to develop an array of intelligently created creative ads.
Delighted with second place, which means we get a £20 delivery voucher, and I love my takeaway, so I'm over the moon.
Yeah, so I mean, I really can't wait for next year's hackathon, and hopefully we might be able to use what we've built for client-facing work.